Hey everyone, welcome back to Better Every Day, the channel dedicated to helping you become the best version of yourself. If you've ever felt stuck or wondered how to turn your dreams into reality, you're in the right place. Today's video is all about setting smart goals and, more importantly, how to achieve success by following through on them. If you're someone who's ready to level up in life, break through barriers, and make every day count, this video is tailored just for you. We're diving deep into the power of SMART goals, a proven strategy that successful people swear by. Whether you're a student with big academic ambitions, a professional aiming for that promotion, an entrepreneur with dreams of building an empire, or just someone wanting to lead a more fulfilling life, this video is your roadmap to success. Stick around and you'll discover the exact steps to set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. But that's not all. We're not just stopping at setting goals, we're breaking down the science behind achieving them. I'm going to share practical tips, real-life examples, and actionable strategies that you can start implementing today. Imagine the satisfaction of looking back at the end of the year, seeing how far you've come, and realizing that you've achieved what you once thought was impossible. So, if you're ready to unlock your full potential, hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this journey together. Get ready to learn how to set SMART goals and achieve the success you've always dreamed of. Stay tuned and let's get better every day. But before we start, let me share a little secret with you. Success isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey and the habits you build along the way. So let's start by understanding the power of setting SMART goals. SMART goals aren't just about wishful thinking. They're about creating a roadmap, a clear and focused path towards your dreams. Let's break it down. First up, S for specific. Your goal should be crystal clear. Instead of saying, "I want to get in shape," try, "I want to lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months by going to the gym 3 times a week and eating a balanced diet." By being specific, you're giving yourself a target, something tangible to aim for. Next, M for measurable. You need to be able to track your progress. Ask yourself, how will I know when I've achieved my goal? This adds a level of accountability. For instance, if your goal is to read more, make it measurable by specifying the number of books you want to finish in a month. Moving on to A for achievable. Your goal should be challenging but not impossible. It's crucial to set targets that push you out of your comfort zone but are still within reach. For example, if you're aiming for a career change, assess the skills you need and set realistic milestones to acquire them. Now, R for relevant. Your goal should align with your values and long-term objectives. It's about ensuring that what you're striving for matters to you. If your goal doesn't resonate with your core values, it might not provide the motivation needed to see it through. Finally, T for time-bound. Every goal needs a deadline. It creates a sense of urgency and helps you prioritize your efforts. Think of it this way. Without a deadline, a goal is just a dream, but with one, it becomes a commitment. So now you know the essence of SMART goals. But here's the magic. It's not just about setting them, it's about turning them into reality. In the next part of this video, we'll dive deep into the strategies to ensure your goals are not just aspirations, but achievements. Don't miss out on the practical tips and proven techniques that will transform your goals into success stories. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's make every day better together. See you in the next video.